How to turn on or turn off color filter on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. And from here, tap on vision enhancements. Next, we then scroll down and tap on color filter. From here, tap on the toggle button to turn on color filter or switch it off. Now, once you turn on color filters, you can also add shortcuts, change the opacity. You can select a different color filter, yellow, orange. So we can lower it down or we can increase it to a higher filter. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.